Arizona is now facing one of the strictest abortion bans in the country after the state Supreme Court upheld an 1864 law criminalizing the procedure except to save the mother's life. It is a 160-year-old law written before Arizona was even a state. Now, some Republicans unexpectedly quick to speak out against the ruling. ABC's Em Nguyen is in Washington.
In a groundbreaking decision, Arizona's Supreme Court cleared the way for a near-total abortion ban, reviving a 160-year-old law dating back to when women couldn't vote.
The near-total Civil War-era ban that continues to hang over our heads only serves to create more chaos for women and doctors in our state.
The law, written in 1864, before Arizona was even a state, gives no exceptions for rape or incest, only allowing the procedure when needed to save the mother's life. President Biden calling it extreme, dangerous, and cruel. Some Republicans already distancing themselves from this ruling. Congressman Juan Ciscomani calling the decision a disaster for women and providers. GOP Senate candidate Kari Lake reversing her support for a near-total ban from 2 years ago, saying this new ruling is out of step with Arizonans. Lake now calling on the state legislature to come up with a solution. The ruling comes just after former President Trump said abortion should be left up to the states, though he has yet to weigh in directly on this decision.
And whatever they decide must be the law of the land, in this case, the law of the state.
Anti-abortion rights activists are celebrating this decision, saying it protects unborn children. Ultimately, this may be up to the voters. Arizona, one of the 14 states where the issue may be on the ballot in November. Democrats hope the ruling may lead to a surge in support at the polls, where abortion rights had previously won in all 6 states when it was on the ballot. Vice President Kamala Harris plans to be in Arizona Friday, the administration ready to keep a spotlight on this issue of reproductive rights. The state Supreme Court justices have put the ruling on hold for 14 days to allow for lower court challenges. Em Nguyen, ABC News, Washington.